welcome back to my channel. So we are on Vlogmas day 20. Y'all, we is almost to Christmas. Almost to Christmas. Hey, almost to Christmas. It is exactly 6:34. And today we are going to, well, tonight we're about to make some chicken Alfredo. And I'm gonna do this chocolate marshmallow dip that I saw on TikTok. And we're gonna try it here. Alright, you guys, so I have all the materials, well, all the seasoning to the side. So for this chicken Alfredo, we're going to do 1.5 tablespoons of salt, 1.5 tablespoons of pepper, 1/4 tablespoon of smoked paprika, 1/4 tablespoon of garlic powder, to add some Sazon, because I love Sazon. Now that I got my seasonings out the way, I'm going to go ahead and just cut the fat pieces that I don't like. I don't like the fat on my chicken. I'm going to cut the chicken in half. Alright, you guys, so now that I have my pieces cut, I'm going to coat it with seasoning. You guys, now that I have my chicken going and my boiled water going, I'm gonna go ahead and start making my strawberry vodka drink. If you do not know the ingredients for that, I'm gonna need you to stop and go ahead and go back to Vlogmas 18, because baby, let me tell you, I made that drink and that night everybody tore it up. So of course it's a request for tonight's dinner. So right now I'm cutting up my strawberries and I'm about to make the drink. Now we gotta like schedule the whole thing. Like, yeah. So when y'all rescheduling?
But he really is like super smart. Like say that again?
I said I'm cooking.
Okay. Yeah, my bad. I was messing with something. Girl, I don't
What are you eating?
Chips and some spinach dip.
Pasta. Let's go ahead and add my chicken. Alright, you guys, so dinner is done. Nah, this looks so good. We got dinner out the way. It's time to make some dessert. So today we are going to do the s'mores dip. We have our marshmallows, our 2 different types of chocolate, and today's choice of cookies are these. Oh, but before I get into my s'mores dip, I wanted to show you guys what I got from Walmart. Why are you looking at me? But I want to know if anybody has tried the Lucky Charms hot chocolate. Let me know if it's good or not, because I'm gonna try it. Well, I'm gonna try it tomorrow, not tonight, since I'm already making something. Now that we have the oven preheated, we are going to go ahead and get out our chocolate. Probably one more each. I'm seeing everybody use the big marshmallows. I necessarily don't like using the big marshmallows because when you dip the cookie in, it's gonna be harder to reach the bottom, and it's mainly all marshmallows, and I don't like that. Okay, once that's all done, you pop this bad boy in the oven. Guys, this pretty much wraps up the vlog, and I will catch you guys tomorrow when I finally decorate the front of my door. See you guys tomorrow. Bye.